Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and let me know how you feel about this one, especially if you've ever tuned into the kitchen on Food Network. Trust me, today's story is going to hit a little different. So, after more than a decade on air, yes, over 40 seasons and hundreds of episodes, Food Network has officially announced that the kitchen is coming to an end. The final episode is set to air in December 2025, closing the curtain on one of the network's most beloved weekend shows. It's hard to believe, right? A show that blended real recipes, laughter, friendship, and that cozy weekend vibe, gone. Hosts like Sunny Anderson, Lee Biegel, Mauro, and Geoffrey Zakarian became part of our Saturday routines. They weren't just teaching recipes, they were giving us comfort, connection, and the feeling of cooking with friends. That's rare on TV today. So why cancel it now? Well, Food Network's parent company, Warner Bros. Discovery, is shifting priorities. They're focusing more on streaming content, digital experiences, and high-impact competition shows. It's a business move, sure, but it's also the end of a certain kind of authenticity that made the kitchen so special. Fans are heartbroken. Many say it's one of the last true cooking shows left on the network. No competition, no drama, just food and fun. And they're not wrong. This cancellation signals a bigger shift in what TV networks value today. Fast-paced entertainment over community-driven storytelling. So here's my take. If Food Network's smart, they'll use the kitchen's farewell season as a bridge to something new, something that honors that warmth while evolving for the digital era. Maybe a streaming spinoff or interactive live cooking sessions with the hosts. Because this audience, they're loyal and they're not ready to say goodbye. If you're going to miss the kitchen, drop a orange heart in the comments. Let's give it the send-off it deserves. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because good stories like good food are meant to be shared.